Good morning, this is Kirk with K&S Locksmith Service. I just wanted to do a little video on how to cut a key after you've decoded it, or just generally just cut a key. But we decoded this key and this is what the cuts are, and so I'm just going to leave it in there because I don't want to waste a blank to cut just a general key, but I just want to show you how it works. Once you've decoded it, I did it in a previous video how to decode it. Now we're going to show you how to cut it. So we got the code, and so we want to cut a key by code, which this machine does, and we'll just and we can also do missing bitting and everything, but we'll do that in a later video. But right now we're going to show you how to cut. So we'll just click on cut. The key's already clamped up in the clamp, and it's on the perspective groove. There's certain grooves here. It shows the 1, 2, 3, and so forth. And if you click on this, it actually moves it around. You can see it. You click on the screen, it moves the grooves around. But we're going to do it on number 2. And that's the default setting. And then we'll just hit cut right over here. And then make sure you always use your brush to clean. You know, it's got this little brush here. Clean up the chips. Anyway, so it'll go down. It'll touch the tip of the key, and it'll go over, and that kind of gauges it. And then it'll touch that side and the other side. It's kind of gets it to where it's level, and then it'll start spinning here. And then it goes through and basically traces the key. It'll do looks like about 3 passes, maybe 4. It's got some pretty deep cuts, so number 5s usually they cut pretty deep. And I'll show you, once this is done, it's going to actually trim the high points off this key. That's the nice thing about this machine, is that it takes off the high points of the key, and so it makes the operation of the key smoother. It goes down, and there's different settings you can set the cutter on. This is the recommended setting for this type of a key. It's set on nickel silver. Anything faster just wears out your cutter. So nickel silver or even steel is a recommended setting. It just takes a little bit longer, but you get a better key. You can see, like I said, it's trimming off the peaks off that original key. And once it's done, it comes back into its mode, and then we'll flip it up and I'll show you the key. And it, like I said, if I can get it to focus here, it trims off the peaks of the key, so the key will go into the lock smoother. But anyway, that's it. That's how you cut a key by code.